I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Put your camera into the Wi-Fi or remote mode and open the Fujifilm camera remote app on your phone. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on the camera and phone. The app will scan for the camera automatically. If a prompt appears on the camera, accept pairing. You need the camera's network name or QR code in some models. Follow on-screen prompts so the phone and camera can see each other and establish a secure connection. Once paired, you'll land in live view. Tap the frame to move focus and use pinch gestures to zoom if available. This helps compose precisely. Make sure to change exposure settings from the app. Shutter speed, aperture, and ISO are mirrored to the camera so you control image look remotely. If you need burst or interval shooting, open the shooting mode menu inside the app. Selecting it sends commands to the camera. As you work, watch connection status so settings apply correctly. To finish, tap the shutter icon for a single shot or choose self-timer and remote release for hands-free captures. You'll see thumbnails to confirm success. When ready, browse the camera's images in the app and download chosen files to your phone for editing or sharing. If the connection drops, first toggle Wi-Fi on the phone, quit and reopen the app, and if necessary, repair the devices. This usually clears pairing issues and restores full remote control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.